Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. So first of all, many congratulations to all the students who have secured good ranks in NEET 2025 and are expecting a good veterinary college this year. So if you are not a veterinary student yet and you are in this illusion that veterinary science is all about loving animals, treating them, saving them, then no, you are sadly mistaken. And this video highlights just those points. So let's straight get into it. Point number 1. There is a subject called veterinary entrepreneurship. Now, before I directly get into what's the disturbing part in this, let me first try to explain what this subject is about. So there is a small practical part in this subject which involves us, the veterinary students. We have to make some eatables out of animal products. So for instance, you can be asked to make gulab jamuns and the milk product ingredients are going to come from cow or buffalo. So we prepare a few pieces of it and try to sell them within our hostel and get some money in return. So till this point everything looks fine, but you can be asked to slaughter birds like quail, chicken, prepare the meat and sell it off. Or you can be asked to raise pigs for a certain period of time till they reach a certain achievable body weight and then sell them off for money. So this can be subjective. For some students it may seem okay, no big deal, but to me it was very unsettling. And to be honest, I never felt that there is an utmost need for us to incorporate this part in our curriculum. In our veterinary, we have another subject which is livestock production management. And as the name suggests, we are taught the management of livestock like cattle, buffalo, sheep and goat, etc. But only till the point where the livestock is productive or useful to us. So for instance, a cow or buffalo stops yielding enough milk, suffering from some illness which is untreatable, or the treatment cost is too high. Then we are taught to simply cull the animal. It's distressing to see such things in our syllabi, and you cannot go through them without questioning them, especially when you are an animal lover, or when you come into this profession solely out of passion and love towards animals. You expect rather encouragement to treat animals and similar things, but you're taught sadly otherwise. In a way, indirectly, veterinary kind of teaches you to give more importance to species that serve the economy more. But in case of small animals like cats and dogs, the scenario is completely different. Like in terms of practical aspect also, because the pet parents' mindset is different and they are ready to spend anything and everything on their pets just to make them happy. Point number 3, and I mentioned this earlier also in my videos, that do not expect everyone in your batch to love or like animals. I mean, you won't find anyone who hates animals, but there are definitely many you would find who are indifferent towards them. And point number 4, you are not taught enough about certain species which are also kept as pets like rabbits, guinea pigs, turtles, tortoises, pigeons, parrots. The reason I'm not very sure of. Our curriculum is very large. I mean, it is a 5.5 years course already. It has a lot of subjects. So of course, it would not be possible to cover each and every species and give weightage to each and every species equally. But yes, that is the truth. Now, one thing I want to clarify in this video, that I'm not saying veterinary is a bad profession or it changes your mindset. No, you have your own mind. I'm sure, I mean, when you enter into this profession, your expectations are very different. You believe that it would be positivity all around and it's all about animals, their welfare and this and that. I mean, there is no other profession who can teach you the treatment of animals, how to care for them. But as every profession has their own laggings, these are the laggings which our veterinary profession sadly has. Now as this video ends, I believe that there is a need to make another video in which I'll be highlighting the points that I wish our veterinary curriculum never had those points in the first place. But now when they still have it, I think that there is a time that we can change it. So that's it for this video. I hope my message was conveyed to you. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe to it and like this video and share it with your friends. Do follow me on Instagram as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.